go. It is 1 o'clock. We are going to be opening up bids for the window replacement at various schools for the Fairlawn Board of Education. We are just going to be opening up the bids, letting you know which vendor, with the bid, and then reading out the bid price, and then we'll be reviewing the lowest bids. Okay? Everyone's obviously welcome to review any of the bids right now, or if you want to come back in. But that's the gist of it. So everyone signed in, correct?
I didn't need
You mean that meaning up front over there? Or?
Oh, no, for the.
No, but tabulations and like.
Yeah, where did he sign in?
Oh, there's a sign-in sheet.
I just mark up.
Oh, all right, we marked it.
Good.
All right, so the first bid that we're going to be looking at is from APS Contracting. This one, right?
Yeah.
All right, so this is from, again, I said APS Contractors. The base bid amount is $2,732,000. Oh, we want me to read? Oh, you want, oh, there's alternates, I apologize. Alternate number 1 is an add of $490,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $490,000. Alternate number 3 is an add of $30,000. Alternate number 4 is an add of $101,000. Alternate number 5 is an add of $110,000. Alternate number 6 is an add of $15,000. And alternate number 7 is an add of $15,000. That's it. All right. Next one up is Premier Group. The base bid amount is $2,795,617. Alternate number 1 is an add of $467,500. Alternate number 2 is an add of $462,414. Alternate number 3 is an add of $18,400. Alternate number 4 is an add of $83,590. Alternate number 5 is an add of $107,000. It's $100,700. 100,700. Alternate number 6 is an add of $19,200. And alternate number 7 is an add of $19,200. Next bid up is from DME Window and Door. The base bid amount is $2,400,000. Alternate number 1 is $407,500. Alternate number 2 is $410,000. Alternate number 3 is $16,000. Alternate number 4 is $73,000. Alternate number 5 is $74,600. Alternate number 6 is an add of $42,800. And alternate number 7 is an add of $42,800. Last bid for today is from Panoramic Window and Door Systems. The base bid amount is $2,626,000.
2,626,000.
Sorry, $2,626,000. Alternate number 1 is an add of $486,000. Alternate number 2 is an add of $470,000. Alternate number 3 is an add of $17,000. Alternate number 4 is an add of $82,000. Alternate number 5 is an add of $97,000. Alternate number 6 is an add of $42,000. And then
$42,000.
$42,000, yep. And alternate number 7 is an add of $42,000. And that is all the bids we received. Like I said, we will be reviewing them with the intent of awarding next week. So that concludes.
Okay,